bakuli la mayawo. So we cooked mayawo and I bend it. Kunyesha. Kunyesha is Kunyesha. Kunyesha means I bent it. But hey ho. Look at that. Come closer. So mayawo, this you must have seen me here peeling cassava. Once it's cooked, that's how it becomes. Usually we add salt, but nowadays everything has salt. So instead of salt, I don't add salt. You just peel it, wash it, cut it into pieces, boil it. It takes less than 15 minutes, I should say. It's quicker than that. So of course I'll add something. I'll add something to eat with, like meat stew or something like that, and vegetables and stuff. But we can also eat just like this with a cup of tea. All right. So try it. You don't have to eat it all. Just make sure that it's cooked so that when you are cutting it, you know, it's easily breakable. Don't eat it uncooked.